In this video, we're going to show you how to install the passenger side windshield wiper on your Dodge Charger located at the base of your windshield. The process for this is the same as the driver's side. We're going to start by raising up our wiper arm. Now this particular model has a little pinch tab on the front here, right beyond the metal arm. So you're going to pinch on that and lift up on this cover. This pulls off. It's going to allow you to go ahead and fold this up a little bit. And underneath here, there's a little spring tab. It's going to allow you to go ahead and push the wiper down the arm and off of this hook. Do not let this spring down. It is spring loaded and it will break your windshield. So set that down gently. Then you want to go ahead and grab the new wiper arm here. Now as the tapered part comes down, there is a plastic component in here that will actually wrap around the hook itself. So you're going to lift up the arm. You're going to feed this hook in and underneath, and you're going to pull the wiper towards you. And it's that easy. It literally just clicked into place. Now, depending on the type of wiper blade that you install, our new one does not require this clip to be installed because it's designed to go with the old wiper blade. So once you click it into place and it's locked on, you can set that down. You can repeat this process for the driver's side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.